I am pumped because today I'm going to be walking you through my favorite software on the market right now for cold email sending. It's called Instantly.AI, and you might already be familiar with it, but what I promise you're not familiar with are the nooks and crannies of this software that really make it the best in-class tool right now for email sending. Now, they're not paying me to make this video. This is the tool that I use for myself, for my agency, and for our lead generation company for all of our clients. Even though it's not the best tool for managing an agency and lots of lead gen clients, I still use it because it is light years ahead of other tools. It's user-friendly and it's got tricks that a lot of other platforms don't use. So with that being said, let's dive into Instantly. But first, if you want to try the tool and haven't already signed up, please use my link. I get a small percentage of every user that I sign up, and as a payment for giving you all of this information for free, I hope you will go ahead and do that for me. Let's dive into Instantly and show you some of the power of this tool. You'd actually be shocked to know how powerful it is with how simple and clean it looks. And that's my favorite thing about Instantly, is it just looks so clean. The user interface is smooth. It's a pleasure to use. So let's dive into some of the nooks and crannies of this tool to show you exactly how it works. And as you can see, I've got a lot of email sender accounts set up on here warming. And probably my favorite part about Instantly.AI is that you can add unlimited email accounts and warm them for free with any paid plan. Almost no other email sending platform does that. So if you want to just sign up and use it for warming, you can do that for a very nominal fee. Very cool. All right, so let's dive in and let me show you one of my first hacks that I really love about this tool. One of the first really powerful features that they put in that I took notice to. A lot of people don't notice this four little square icon right next to add new, but this actually tests all of the MX, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records on all of your accounts. It will show you if they're blacklisted, and it will show you if they're missing anything at all. That way, when you're rolling through them, you can see if anything is actually missing a record. It will highlight it and show you what is actually missing. So obviously, I do a very good job at setting these up. So a lot of them are going to be set up perfectly. But if they did have issues, it would show in red highlighted on these sender accounts. Moving right along, the button next to it is so you can edit bulk settings. So say you upload a bunch of emails all at once and you don't want to go through one by one and change the bulk settings. Maybe you don't want to change, or maybe you want to add all the same tracking domain. Maybe you want to edit all of the maximums. You can do that right here with bulk settings. You can select which ones that you want to edit and go ahead and do that. A relatively new feature right here, you can reconnect all accounts. So maybe all of your accounts got disconnected for some reason. You can reconnect them all at the same time. And this is actually a good sign to servers like Gmail and Microsoft that they're actually in use. So this reconnect might be a good idea even if you don't need it. Now let's dive into a specific email account to show you how powerful this actually is. So these are the warm-up settings. Yes, you get really good visualization into the inbox health. Obviously, these are all going correctly. They're not ending up in spam. You can see the percentages. This is normal. Most email platforms have this. What they don't have is what I'm about to show you. So let's go into the settings. I'll show you what I use for my settings. Always set up a custom tracking domain. They've got a warm-up filter tag right here so that you can go into your inbox and filter out these warming emails so they're not bombarding you. The warming. So I always warm up to 50. It monitors blacklists for you. That's a huge feature. Always keep that on. If you're on a pro plan, you can also do these advanced warm-up settings. So warming up during the weekday, red emulation, warming up your custom tracking domain, and you can hyper fixate your open rates, your spam protection, and your mark is important. Very cool stuff that is exclusive to Instantly. I almost can't believe that these are real features. Now, I just want to make note that they're always evolving and creating new features and rolling and testing new things on Instantly. So this video might be obsolete in 6 months, but for right now, it's very notable that they just installed this lead finder. So they put their own contact database within Instantly with all of the bells and whistles that you might be expecting, lookalikes, technologies, even intent, which is very, very cool. It is a little bit more expensive than the data that we're currently using. So I do not use Instantly's data, but they're already verified and it helps to just keep everything in one place. So if you don't have a data provider and you're willing to pay for simplicity, this might be a good thing to use. They're best in class in everything that they're doing, so I imagine that their data is best in class as well. That's the lead finder. You can search leads, you can add them straight to your campaigns that are already pre-verified. A very cool feature from Instantly. So let's dive into campaigns and see what sending actually looks like. Now, one thing I really do hope that they roll out in the near future is going to be folders. It's very hard right now to organize different campaigns. So within these sending campaigns, you get really good insights. I actually like how it's laid out as well. So you get good information on replies, opens, opportunities, it uses AI to show you who's actually interested, and we'll mark that as an opportunity. This is a new campaign, probably needs a little bit of work, but the AI is very accurate. I was shocked at how good the opportunities actually are. So it will tell you when something is a good reply. Next, in this lead section, this is where you actually put in your data. It's got a really advanced way to show you how it's all segmented, who's unsubscribed, who's bounced, who's completed. This is all relatively simple, and it marks them as they are contacted. All right, sequences. This is the cool stuff right here. Instantly does allow for spin syntax. If you don't know what that is, it's the ability to change variables. So if you're sending the same email over and over again, it can get flagged as spam. Now, I'm not going to save this, but this is what spin syntax would look like. Say I'm going to do 2 of these. I'm going to say, hey, vertical line, hello, vertical line, hi. And now as these emails are sending, it's going to cycle through those 3 variations. So it's not going to be sending the same email over and over again. A lot of sending platforms don't have that capability. So that's very, very cool. You're able to add unsubscribe links very simply. You're able to clean the HTML. You're able to add variants. So split testing is very, very easy here. One feature that is new to Instantly that I think is notable is if you see here, next to the steps, they now have a settings icon. So yes, there is the delay, but there's also conditions, and a lot of people don't know how to use this. So if they open the email, reply to the email, then you can do an action. Now this is very, very cool stuff that wasn't available on Instantly only months ago. So definitely a power feature that a lot of you should definitely try out. Next up, schedules. So there's nothing really to show you here that might be interesting for you. This is normal. When do you send the emails? But let's go into options and show you what else we can do. My favorite thing about Instantly is the ability to stack unlimited email senders on a single campaign. This makes it so much easier if you have one offer to one audience, but you want to send a lot more emails than just 50 per day per email. Now you can stack as many as you want here. So these features are normal. Stop sending emails on reply. I always keep that on enable, and stop on auto reply. Tracking open emails. So they now have the ability to track link clicks as well. So if you're ever sending a link, I definitely recommend that you enable that, at least for the start. Once you have a campaign that you know is working, they also have the ability to send as text only and remove all HTML. This is different than a lot of other sending softwares that don't allow you to do this. How I recommend that you use this is once you have been running a campaign for say 6 months, you're tracking everything, you know what copy works, you know what links work. Now you can select this and it's going to turn all the tracking off, but it's going to increase deliverability long term. Daily limit, 50 per email per day. So if you have 2 emails, set that to 100. If you have 4, set it to 200. Some advanced options here. I like to play with these just because it makes it a little bit more human. If you want to maximize new leads per day, you can prioritize new leads over scheduled follow-ups, which is what I like to do. Provider matching, I don't do, although it's very cool and it's unique to Instantly. Not a lot of other platforms do this. Only do this if you're very, very advanced. This is also a very advanced setting right here. Stop campaign for company on reply. So I don't typically use this because I'm only reaching out to one person per company. But if you're reaching out to say an entire department and you don't want that email to go out to the entire department, then this is a good option for you. All right, let's dive into subsequences, which is a really new feature on Instantly. Now, what subsequences is able to do is, for example, I'm going to go ahead and create one from new, my subsequence 2. If a lead is marked as interested or any of these other things, you can then do something to them. Also, you can do it by text. Then it will put them into a subsequence with different follow-ups. So if a meeting's booked, boom, now they go into this separate subsequence automatically. This is another new feature from Instantly that is very, very cool. Highly recommend that you check out subsequences. This is for power users. You should definitely be using subsequences. All right, so campaigns overall, insanely powerful. You can load up emails onto a single sender. You can hyperfixate on some of these settings that you can't do in any other sending platform. So definitely something that you should take a look at. All right, let's dive into the analytics. I just love how simple they make it. I'm gonna put this over here because it's not really important to get into the nitty gritty, but you can get a really good high level oversight of what's working and what's not. You can filter by ones with the highest reply rates, the lowest reply rates. You can filter by the ones with the most opportunities so that you can lean into that a little bit more. You can see how many opportunities you're generating based on time frame. They just make it really easy and simple to get a good visualization of what's going on. Next, I'd love to dive into the Unibox, which is basically the unified inbox for all of the senders that are coming in. And where I think this is really helpful is their AI is able to really tell who's interested. So I can just click on interested and go in here and reply very, very quickly. Not a lot of other sending platforms do this for you, and they do it in a really clean way. What's also very cool that I can't show you on this screen is their Zapier integration. If you're a Zapier user and want to be a power user for Instantly, you can have that trigger when somebody's interested and then do any automation from that point once somebody is marked interested. So if you have a VA or someone replying in here, go ahead and go through that interested funnel and just reply to everybody directly in here. They've got schedule sends, they've got templates that you can use. It's a very advanced Unibox. All right, let's dive into some of the settings. Now let's dive into some of the settings on Instantly and see what we can actually do here. As you can see, I've been using this for a long time. I've still got the AppSumo plan, blah, blah, blah. So one of the things that you should know about Instantly is the uploaded contacts. So they charge you by how many contacts are in the system, which is a little bit inconvenient sometimes because in order to scale your campaigns, a lot of times you have to remove contacts from Instantly to put more in. When you remove them, I highly recommend that you put them into a do not contact list or have a way not to contact them again. This is one of the downfalls for Instantly. I don't love this, but I guess you can't have everything that you want in one platform. All right, so let's go into some of the other things that we can do in here, some of the add-ons that Instantly has to offer. All right, so coming through the settings, there's not much here. Integrations, yes, Zapier, Slack. You've got an open API. You can create webhooks. All of that's cool, but not really unique to Instantly. Let's come into preferences and show you some really cool stuff. Use AI to automatically tag interest status in replies. Click that on. Their AI is very sophisticated and it works really well. You can control what's being shown in the Unibox. With this, I don't like to show auto replies in the Unibox. And account disconnect notifications. You can say whether you want to get those or not. Their block list, I actually really like how they format it. So they read a Google Sheet, and this Google Sheet is linked to the block list. Anyone who opts out is automatically added, but I went one step further to add automations to add people to this block list that, for example, respond negatively. You can do a lot of cool stuff with Zapier here, but they're pretty unique in how they do this and maintain a block list, and I actually like it a lot. Now, one of the most underrated things about Instantly is their support and their education. So now I'm in the Instantly Accelerator. To do that, all you have to do is go to the bottom here. And I highly recommend, if you're new to cold email, first, watch all my videos. Second, watch all of these videos and read all of their documentation. They've got an incredible frequently asked questions, incredible support staff, and incredible documentation for any problem that you might need. It is highly specific. There's not been a single problem that I've run into that doesn't have a support documentation or a support staff member that's been able to help me. So this is really taken for granted, I think, in a lot of people when they choose a software, but you have a lot of resources here that you should be using, and they're very effective. If you're not already sold on Instantly, I'm not trying to sell you. They're not paying me to make this video. I genuinely use this platform, and if you use all of the features that I just mentioned to you and you use them correctly, you become an Instantly power user like me, you're going to be able to have results on Instantly that go way beyond anything that you can do elsewhere. My favorite thing about Instantly is, one, the simplicity, but two, it rarely ever errors. So the emails that are sent are delivered pretty, they're delivered clean, they get really good responses, the tracking always works, and that can be a big consideration when you're experimenting with different tools, you're trying stuff. For example, if you experiment with a cold email sending platform from AppSumo that maybe you get $50 one time and you're running this for 3 to 6 months, you invested all this time setting it up, but the emails are getting delivered with weird formatting. Nobody's going to respond to it and you're not going to know why your campaigns are failing. This happens more often than you might know. Something going wrong that you can't anticipate that doesn't show directly on the analytics, but it's reflecting negatively in your results. Instantly has not yet had that problem for me. That's why we use it for all of our clients. That's why we use it for all our campaigns. And if you found this video helpful, please use my sign up link for Instantly so I get a few bucks. It helps support the channel and so that I can create more videos like this so that you can continue to get better at B2B lead generation. I'll see you in the next video.